How to download Roblox Studio on mobile. So if you want to download Roblox Studio on your mobile, then first you just need to simply open up your browser. Under your browser, you can simply go with the roblox.com and make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed in, now go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and make sure that you're under the desktop site. Once you're under the desktop site, now you just need to simply go with the create section, which is on the upper right. Tap on create and it will take you to the Roblox Studio, right? So once you enter the Roblox Studio, now again go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and tap on add to home screen and then tap on install, and it will install the Roblox Studio. You can simply go back and check your home screen, and here you will have Roblox Creator Hub, which has been installed. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will directly take you to the section where you can create Roblox things. So that's how you can download your Roblox Studio on your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.